this is Kim with Mom's Creative Moments, and I wanted to bring you a series of videos based on the new back to school line that Creative Memories just came out with. And so to kind of celebrate that, I decided it was finally time for me to go ahead and get out some old scrapbooks that my mom put together. This one my mom put together for me when I was in elementary school, and there's going to be another video on one that I put together when I was in high school. And I'm going to be taking all of these apart and combining them with some photographs that are not included in these to make some new Creative Memories school books for me. Probably just one, consolidating it all. But I just wanted to share with you some of these old pages and see if maybe you have some of this going on too. This is an old magnetic album, and often when you see an old magnetic album like this, you either have pictures that are completely glued to the page to the point where you have to use different tricks to try to get them off without damaging them, like a blow dryer or dental floss to gently peel it up underneath. But for some reason in these books that my mom put together, the photos are like not stuck at all. The pages are not even sticking down. So a lot of these documents are just loose in here, and I didn't loosen any of these up. This is just the way these were when I opened the book just the other day. Almost every single piece of paper that's in here, this one's a little bit stuck, but it's kind of in the binding over here, are just free floating in here and could be lost super easy. And not that, you know, a lot of these would mean anything to anyone but me, but you know, this is just kind of scary to me that these are all just super loose and just floating around in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and deconstruct this book so that I can keep some of these things that are more meaningful to me and incorporate some pictures, because my mom was a consummate photographer, even back in the day when things were not digital. Let's see, this is more stuck down. That one is definitely stuck. I'm gonna have to use some floss on that one. That corner is all that's coming up. Anyway, I know that she took photos, and my mom is more of a digital scrapper these days, and so I am certain that if I go on her digital site, I'll be able to find photos of things like field trips to the zoo, because I grew up in San Diego with that phenomenal zoo, and you know, different things like that that I can then print and incorporate in this book to make it even more meaningful, because those are photos that won't really be seen otherwise, because they won't really be put into any other kind of book. So anyway, this is just a quick run through of this type of an album. If you have one of these in your stash or in your attic or somewhere, you should probably, if they're in your attic, you should definitely take them out of the attic and get them into a more temperature stable environment, because the constant fluxes in temperature from hot to cold that you find in typical attics can really damage your photographs. You can see how a lot of these pages have turned yellow on the side papers. They're being affected by the acid in these pages. And a lot of the writing on these, granted this is a duplicate so you can't really see it as well, but writing fades, like on this paper, the writing or the typed ink is fading, and a lot of that is as a result of the chemicals that are in these type of adhesive pages. So that being said, take your albums out of the attic, get them into a temperature stable environment until you can get to them and put them into an archival quality acid-free, lignin-free pages. That's the key, acid-free and lignin-free. Creative Memories, of course, their pages are are perfect for this. But if you can find another company that you like just as well, you know, I am a Creative Memories advisor, so of course I'm gonna recommend them. I've used them for almost 30 years, so, well, 25 years. And so I love the quality of our products, and they do have a lifetime guarantee. But if there's another paper company you like out there, just make sure that whatever paper you're using and whatever pages you're putting your memories on are acid-free and lignin-free, so that they're not going to damage your memories. All right, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. This is just a very quick video, and I might edit it into another one. I haven't decided yet, but just in case I don't, I'll just say I hope that you have many more creative moments, and I hope that you might consider putting together a book for yourself or for your children of their school memories. I think it is really important, and hopefully I'll be able to give you some good ideas through this series. Thanks so much. You have a great day.